baby just woke up. Hi. McKenna's up. Ah. Ah. Hi, honey. Doesn't she look cheery this morning? Hi. Chicky, 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 chicky.
Yes.
Say hi, Nikki. Hi, Grandma.
Mama.
Hi, everyone. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Are you saying hi, Caitlin? Oh, she has farted. And Bibber's here too.
Yep.
Ah, say hi.
Hi.
Cha cha cha. You got some bedhead today, huh?
Mommy.
Yeah. Are you gonna kiss Sissy? Aw, so nice. You gonna hug Sissy? Aw, that's nice, Caitlin. Can you give her one more kiss?
No.
Okay, you all done?